Hi, welcome to the Gallery CSS screencast. Gallery CSS is a pure CSS carousel library, so that means that you can have a bunch of slides that will autoplay and transition, or you can even interrupt that playback by adding some controls. If you follow the simple classes that are applied to the markup, then you can make something pretty neat using only CSS and HTML. We do that by adding grunt.registerTask. We then name the task default. The default task will then go and run sass dev. We could also again supply an array of tasks that will be run. When I run grunt from the command line, it's done without any errors. But we still have an error for grunt watch, so we should try and work out why that is. The next thing we want to do is add some controls. So I'm going to add 3 controls, one for each item in the gallery. Now I'm going to use a hash link for these, item 1, 2, and 3, and then just set a bullet dot for the actual link itself so we can style that up nicely. We'll add some basic styles for those as well. So we'll set those to also be position absolute to the parent, which in this case is the gallery item. We'll set their width to be 100%, and we'll center them so that they're sitting right there in the middle like you would expect. I'll align it to the bottom. And then from here, I'll set a color. I'm going to use RGBA because it works nicely with the alpha channel. So I'm going to set 0.4 for the default state. If you were to support IE8 or older browsers that don't support RGBA, you would have to set a color using a supported color style. RGBA isn't supported, so I'm going to set it to white smoke. And I'll make them a little bit bigger as well. When we reload in the browser, we'll see that the links have appeared in the bottom in the right position, although they haven't taken on our colors. So now we've already got a gallery where we can click through, and everything's looking pretty great. But if we really want to be taken seriously and try and replace JavaScript with CSS, maybe we should try and make this autoplay and have a bit of animation.